Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors. Thomas J. Fogarty, contemporary. Fogarty embolectomy catheter. Thomas Fogarty attended medical school at the University of Cincinnati College of Medicine in 1960. He trained in both general and cardiothoracic surgery at the University of Oregon in Portland and worked at the National Heart Institute in Bethesda from 1965 to 1967. He returned to Oregon as instructor in surgery, then moved to Stanford University in 1979, practicing cardiovascular surgery and being appointed professor there in 1993. It was shortly before his graduation in 1960 that Fogarty developed his embolectomy catheter, which revolutionized the management of peripheral emboli and which must have saved millions of limbs and lives. He holds more than 60 patents in surgical instrumentation, including his on-work stent graft, for the endovascular treatment of aortic aneurysms. Truly a remarkable contributor to modern vascular surgery. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. 8 Fomed.